Looks like iQOO is gearing up for its next flagship move. A fresh teaser poster from iQOO India has just dropped, clearly hinting that the launch is right around the corner. The brand even revealed that more teasers will roll out in the coming days, building up the hype before the official reveal. Most reports point toward a November launch, lining up perfectly with the next wave of flagship releases in India. Talking about specifications, the iQOO 15 will feature a 6.85-inch Samsung Everest AMOLED screen with a 2K resolution and 144Hz refresh rate. It delivers unmatched clarity, improved transparency, higher brightness, and reduced reflections. With advanced emission materials, the display ranges from 1 nit for low-light viewing, up to a blazing 6000 nits for outdoor visibility. It would also feature a AR anti-reflection coating, a feature Apple just introduced on the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Powering the iQOO 15 is Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, designed for ultra-fast performance, gaming, and heavy multitasking. To handle all that heat, iQOO has developed the industry's largest 8K vapor chamber cooling system, making this phone a true performance beast. Memory and storage configurations include minimum 12GB RAM, scaling up to 16GB, and storage possibly up to 1TB. Now let's talk cameras. According to early leaks, the rear setup is a triple 50-megapixel system, a 50MP main camera, a 50MP ultra-wide, and the 50MP periscope telephoto lens. While the exact sensors are still under wraps, if Vivo's flagship DNA carries over, we can expect serious improvements in both low-light shots and long-range zoom performance. In fact, the periscope camera samples shared on Weibo already show off some seriously sharp detail. This periscope supports a 70mm focal length with true 3x optical zoom and up to 100 times digital zoom. iQOO isn't stopping there. It's boosted by Vivo's nice imaging algorithm, which enhances detail, sharpness, and dynamic range, especially in telephoto photography. The iQOO 15 is rumored to house a 7000 mAh battery, one of the largest batteries ever seen in a mainstream flagship. If this is true, it could redefine endurance for high-performance smartphones. On top of that, for the first time in the series, iQOO is adding wireless charging support. This is a huge step up because the previous iQOO 13 skipped this feature entirely. And given iQOO's history, we can also expect blazing fast wired charging, possibly up to 120 watt or more. The iQOO 15 also takes durability to a whole new level. Posters released by iQOO's product director confirm that the phone has an IP68 and IP69 rating. That means not just resistance against dust and water, but also against high-pressure jets, making it one of the toughest flagships on the market. What do you think? Can the iQOO 15 challenge OnePlus, Xiaomi, and even Samsung's flagships? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more daily tech breakdowns.